ṣe rí nǹkan kan tó ti ń ṣọ́ọ̀kì mi gbogbo nǹkan tó ń lọ mi ní parọ́ fún yín ni pé báwo ni ìjọba ṣe máa worú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ràn because tó bá blọ́ọ̀gì èèyàn lásán ní Naija yẹn tó fi false information ẹ̀ẹ̀kan péré wọ́n máa wọ́ ẹ rí. Ẹ wo ṣóò tí Lizzy ń ṣe ẹ wo bó ṣe ń insinuate theft ìborúkọ jẹ́ ó dẹ̀ tún show pictures ó show picture èèyàn mẹ́ta ó orchestrate a scenario that did not happen ó dẹ̀ ń parọ́ mọ́ wọn pé wọ́n jí fóònù ẹ̀yin yẹn gbá kínní yẹ̀ wò three things that did not happen. Ìyábọ̀ was at the party ó jókòó ó ń báyọ̀ kan sọ̀rọ̀ PA ẹ̀ wà lẹ́yìn PA yẹn bóyá ó rò pé bí Ìyábọ̀ fẹ́ lo fóònù ẹ̀ ní ó kó fóònù síta nínú báàgì ó fẹ́ fún Ìyábọ̀ ní fóònù ẹ̀ pé do you need your phone or something wọ́n jọ ń sọ̀rọ̀ Priscilla ń jó ó dẹ̀ orchestrate ẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ ń sọ fún wa pé Priscilla is a distraction bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ti lọ jí fóònù wa Ìyábọ̀ àti ẹ̀ wọ́n jọ ń communicate how do ó dẹ̀ ń sọ pé o lè even an innocent guy ó dẹ̀ ń sọ pé bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ni Ìyábọ̀ máa ń lò tó máa bá ń jí fóònù pàtì ṣẹ̀rí tí Ìyábọ̀ ò bá tiẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ these allegations are just too much ó ń pe orúkọ wọn ó ń fi ojú wọn sí fídíò ó dẹ̀ ń orchestrate a whole crime in front of thousands of people. This is where I'm confused. Kó sọ pé orí Tinubu burú lásán, they will pick you. Láì fi picture Tinubu sí. They will pick you. I don't know the kind of backing. Ṣẹ̀mọ̀, tọmọdé ìrọ́pọ̀ òun ní, and she can do that scot-free without anything. Now that is alarming. Now that at this point is alarming. Kẹ́fì èpè sílẹ̀, èpè òde court. But now this is a crime. She's literally committing a crime. I don't even know what else to say. Like, I'm just like, how is she walking away and getting away with all this? Tó bá tẹ̀ pé random person, àgbọ̀, this is a celebrity. And she made it clear today on her live video pé ìjà yẹn ò lè parí. So you are just purposefully, you are just destroying the name of this woman just because you feel you can. Is the police not working? Is the judiciary system not working? At least something has to be done. Oh, you're going to caution ẹ pé if you don't stop all this, you are going to shake it or shake it. Oh, so we go match a show. Oh, were bold enough to mention the person's name. Oh, they were bold enough to, to put the picture and the face of the person. Admitting that they are committing a crime by stealing phone. Were they caught in the act of phone theft? This thing is annoying. And the last time, where is up on Losi court, also for vindicated now. Vindicated as in how? How is she even walking freely? After all those things she has said on social media. Ó lóun win the last court case tó ń lọ pé wọ́n sọ pé kí Ìyábọ̀ sanwó fóun. As in how? Bullying innocent people, putting their faces there and lying on them that they are stealing phones. This is a crime now. Onítorí pé oréyàn tó kó fóònù dání automatically ó lọ jí fóònù. Ṣé Ìyábọ̀ nìkan ló mú PA lọ síbẹ̀? Ṣé PA Ìyábọ̀ nìkan ló wà ńbẹ̀ ni? There is nothing in the video, and you will orchestrate a video, change the narrative, and you put it to public. Oh, okay, this is the face of this person. O ti ṣe fún ìyá so many times. O tún ti ń ṣe fún ọmọ. O tún sọ pé Priscilla tún mọ̀ nípa crime yẹn. Wípé she's just the distraction. O ti ṣe fún ìyá so many times. This time around, o tún ti wá ń ṣe fọ́mọ. I mean, kí ló ń kó obìnrin láyà? You know? Àti ìtúṣu yẹn dé sálẹ̀ kòkò. Kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ ìjà mọ́ sí àbí ọ̀rọ̀ èébú mọ́. There is more to this. Kí ló ń kó ẹ̀ láyà? Ìyẹn gọ́gọ́gọ́gọ́ ni mi tí mọ̀. Ó ní mò ń sọ. Ẹ jẹ́ kí blọ́ọ̀gì kan kó gbé something untrue about one person jáde. Wọ́n máa fish blog yẹn out. But this woman is doing it directly without any consequence like that. If it is like that, anybody can just come to social media and do anything now. Mo lè mú ọmọ Tinubu kí máa ṣépè fún àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ náà pé ìgbà tẹ́ ẹ̀ ti mú Lizzy, so it should be normal. At least ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ restore, decorum onto the social media space. What's the meaning of this nonsense? À ń pe ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lówè, ó ti fẹ́ máa lárónú, ojú wa báyìí ló tún ṣe fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń búlì Priscilla. Ó tẹ̀ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà. Bó ṣe búlì ìyá, and nothing was done. Ó tún ti fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń búlì Priscilla. And are we saying that nothing will be done? Mo tún wọnú comment section ẹ̀. Wọ́n tún pe Priscilla ní olè Tanzania thief. I swear to God Almighty, I'm like, what is the meaning of all this? Hey, Ọlọ́run, mẹ́wàá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ Naija yẹn o. Mẹ́wàá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Naija yẹn o. Kí ni gbogbo eléyìí tó? Kí ni gbogbo pálapàla yìí náà? Hey. I know he's going to do something about it. I mean, who is going to do something about it? Because I heard the last time that the case was thrown out of court. Why would a case like that be being got to him fully in the liver? What has Iyabo done? What is our offense? Ìgbà tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ show yẹn, ó ní ọkọ ti pè òun tó ti bẹ̀ òun tóun sọ pé no, kò possible. Òun ò lè fi Iyabo lọ́rùn lẹ̀. I don't think Iyabo offended her. She just want to ó fẹ́ máa báwo máa ṣe sọ yẹn náà. Ó fẹ́ make sure pé òun fẹ́ máa degrade orúkọ ọmọbìnrin yẹn pé kò ní levels, who is she, kò jẹ́ nǹkan kan. Nǹkan tó fẹ́ máa ìkà náà ń pè yẹn náà. Ó fẹ́ máa degrade ọmọbìnrin yẹn. It's not about ìjà tẹ́ ẹja. Kò tiẹ̀ kí n ronú pé what if Iyabo is not Gistlover? VDM ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbogbo nonsense yìí o. Nísìnyí ó ń parọ́ pé torí pé Gistlover ṣẹ́hùn ní kíníkan. Ó tiẹ̀ ronú pé what if this woman is not Gistlover? You just follow any narrative, right? You just follow it so that you want to use it to attack Iyabo. Ṣùgbọ́n sọ pé Tonto náà wà ní ara wọn tó ní Gistlover. Kí ló dé tó fi lọ máa bá Tonto jà? Kí ló dé tó yẹ pé Iyabo ni? Iyabo and Soso, they've known each other for a long time. Kì í ṣe kí wọ́n ṣe mọ́ra. They've known each other. Gbogbo ayé ló mọ̀ yẹn pé they've known each other. We've seen them together so many times. So why are you behaving like a nuisance, Ṣọlápé? Like they just know each other. Ó tún sọ pé torí ọ̀rọ̀ kéèsì Mohbad náà fi mọ́ra wọn. Really? This is unfair. It's becoming unfair, I swear to God. And if I know what we can do, I will, it's just, nǹkan tó máa bí mi nínú yẹn pé what can we do? Pé mọ̀dání kan fi ilẹ̀ òun ò ní dá lóhùn. No. They have tainted the image of that woman. It's all these crazy women. Ṣé ti rí Davina náà lẹ́ni? Ṣé ti rí fídíò rádaràdà tí Davina ṣe? mi ò dẹ̀ rí blame Yèyé Kudi mo rí blame Yèyé Kudi understand that ogún ọmọ ò lè rìn fógún ọdún ó nítorí pé o appreciate Ìjẹ̀ṣà ni Ìyábọ̀ fi block yẹ why don't you go to her inbox and ask question ṣe bá gbàlagbà ni ẹ you unfollow me kí ni mo ṣe. And unfollow is not the end of the world. But you came out to social media to talk as if you came to throw Iyabo under the bus. Because when she wants to unfollow you, she'll pariwo, she'll gbé microphone. She'll kígbe sáyé pé mo fẹ́ unfollow Yèyé Kudi. She did it quietly. Ìwọ náà ò ṣe respect ara ẹ̀ kò ṣe quietly. Gbogbo nǹkan lọ́dọ̀ yín tìjà ni. The follow ó jọ yín lójú ju anything lọ. When she unfollow you quietly, wàá ti mọ̀ pé something is wrong ni. Ọkàn ẹ̀dẹ̀ ni. Ó ti sọ pé torí pé o congratulate Ìjẹ̀ṣà ni. The video you did, was it nice? Tó sọ pé torí pé Ìyábọ̀ hábọ̀ Wùmí, automatically náà Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ni nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin Wùmí àti Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Ẹ má fọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad, ẹ má gbé sọ ọ̀rọ̀ Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Ó nítorí pé Ìyábọ̀ hábọ̀ Wùmí kò jẹ́ kó ṣe DNA automatically Ìjẹ̀ṣà náà ṣèbéyàn náà ni ó ṣáà ti serve time ẹ̀. No, this is somebody that is touching innocent children. Look at ìwà àwọn abiyamọ ṣèbí Kudi kàwé ó tó sọ pé bàbá òun náà lọ́ọ̀yà ni bàbá òun ó dẹ̀ ń ṣó báyìí o. Wo bó ṣe ń jà like a mad person worújà tó ń jà ní 2026 nítorí pé wọ́n hábọ̀ Wùmí automatically tíjẹ̀ṣà bá kí ọmọ ẹ mọ́lẹ̀ tó gbá ní ẹpọ̀n ṣé wàá máa sọ irú ìsọkúsọ tó ń sọ yìí tẹ́ kì í ronú. Nǹkan tí ò dáa kò lórúkọ méjì kò dáa ló ń jẹ́ o lè sọ pé torí pé Ìyábọ̀ àti Wùmí wọ́n close torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú Ìjẹ̀ṣà ó wù ẹ́ kó lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú Fabricated ni kò sí nǹkan kan tó lè sọ. Wọ́n dẹ̀ stop yín. It's your choice and it's our own choice too to be like if you feel like Ìjẹ̀ṣà you are cool with Ìjẹ̀ṣà. It's your choice and it's Iyabo's choice to just leave you. Kóníkálukú respect ara ẹ̀ kó kúrò. Ó rí bó ṣe ń sunkún lé lórí. Ó wọ́n follow ẹ Mercy náà follow ẹ kíní kan ṣe kíní kan. Because before you used to see that as if ẹni pé ìwọ náà ti had the 1 star. It's not nice. You threw that woman under the bus. Ìgbà tí Davina tí ò tiẹ̀ like Ìyábọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ Davina tó jẹ́ pé the only thing tó ní ó fẹ́ close mọ́ Ìyábọ̀ fún space ló fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń bully Ìyábọ̀. Ìgbà tí yẹn náà máa gbé ó ní Ìyábọ̀ ti cancel ẹ̀ wípé kí Yèyé Kudi tó mọ̀ o gbogbo àwọn èèyàn máa unfollow ẹ̀ ní kíní kan Ìyábọ̀ has the cancel culture mo kàn wò pé just because you just want to bring this person down ẹ wò sọkúsọ tẹ́ ń ṣe. Yèyé Kudi and Ìyábọ̀ they were never friends. They were never friends. Ó lè rí ẹ pé ẹni náà cool let me follow this person. But tẹ́ bá ti mọ̀ pé òkè iṣẹ́ rí kì í ṣe real friend tó bá ti mọ̀ pé unfollow ni it's not the end of the world and you can hatch things out if you eventually see the person. If you know tọkọ ẹ̀ bá mọ̀ you will not come out. Ṣé Ìyábọ̀ gbé microphone láti announce to the world that she want to unfollow you? She did it quietly. Ìgbà tó dẹ̀ ti notice them move on quietly torí ọjọ́ mi ni. But you're over there crying like a child, throwing her under the bus. Oh, have a thing tell you buruku. No, she has her reason. Yes, and she did it to the best of her knowledge. She did it out of respect for you. Gbogbo tó yẹ pé ọmọ àṣà ni gbogbo yín. Ọlọ́run máa jà fún ẹ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Ọlọ́run máa jà fún ẹ, ó máa jà fáwọn ọmọ ẹ o. Mi ò mọ nǹkan tí mo ẹ ṣáà bá wo movie ẹ at least nǹkan ẹyọ kan tí mo mọ̀ pé ó máa dùn mọ́nú nìyẹn tó bá ń rí views yẹn memory of you lórí YouTube ẹ ṣáà tẹ̀ try kẹ́ bá wò ó mà ṣe o ọmọbìnrin ò tẹ̀ deserve gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ I swear to God she's a very very kind person wèrè Lizzy tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ báyìí kò ní oore kan tó ṣe fún anybody rí o. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ that woman ìjà èèyàn ló ń gbé o kíyà má bàa jẹ ní ìgbé kàn gba justice fẹ́ ní ẹ̀dẹ̀ yìí gbogbo ẹ̀dẹ̀ yìí lé lórí. Nàìjà ẹ burú Ọlọ́run ẹ burú. ìwà yín ò dáa. Ẹ ti burú jù. It's well. Yeah, but see, I keep you in my prayers. That is justice. Kò sí nǹkan tó máa ṣe ẹ́ pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run. Kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan tó máa ṣe ọmọ ẹ̀. Anybody tó bá fẹ́ kó wálẹ̀, ẹni òun ló máa jábọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run.